have our first SEPTA train of the day coming in. This is SEPTA train 3815 to Chestnut Hill West. Someone on 5 needed. We got someone on 5 rail cars. E54. 53. Train 3815.
You know why your pants are going down? Because they're caught on your heel, and when you walk, you pull them down. Come here. Here, let me fold them up, and
I got
then fold up the pants.
I got them.
Yeah, but you're going to keep pulling them up. If you fold them up, then you don't have to worry about it.
Train 416. Another SEPTA. Here we have a SEPTA 4 set coming in. This is SEPTA train 416 to Warminster. More Silver Line 4s. Got Silver Line 4 rail cars. 169. He's departing? I'm pretty sure. He's leaving? So, is he stopping? Again? Or there's a silver. Leaving? So 1 and 4 rail cars, 169, 170, 141, and 142. All taking on to Warminster. I'll be coming back straight to the airport. Next train is train 6477 to 30th Street. More action coming. So 5 set coming in. This is SEPTA train 6477 to 30th Street. So far the 5 rail cars. We got 826, 825. The Peninsula We just West Train, New Jersey.
It says that Wilmington is at 10:03.
And then there's an airport at 9:57 for
Yeah,
those.
they should become one right after the other.
Next up is train 6506 to Doylestown.
So that's on that side.
That's on this side. More trains. Where's that coming in? This is on train 6506 to Doylestown. Start for cars. We got 129. 35 and 4. I'm taking off the doors. Next train is up to train 8318. West Train. Here we have another something so far approaching the station. This is the next of the train. This is train 8318. Towards train coming in. We got someone on 4 rail cars. I was doing that for them to blow the horn. They can't see me. They can't. That's so wonderful. Rail course 353. We saw you push. He's late. I don't know why. He's leaving. So wonderful. Rail course 353. 352, 137, and 138. All taken on to West Trenton. And it's going to Yardley until 3:30 this afternoon because of construction. And it is a weekday. On weekend, they'll do construction there, except for on the weekend. More to come here. Here I have another section for the course that comes in. This is train 425 to the airport. Get so wonderful records. We got 166. 165. 45 to the airport. He's leaving. So 166. 165. Take care. Take care. And 395. All taken out to the airport. Next is the train to Wilmington. There we go, the train to 9 to 30. So on 5-row car, we got 870, the second car. Just walk. Please move it. So flying for 5-row cars, 870. The second car, 869. T-Cam, 734. 868. 867. And 722. All taken out to Wilmington. What are we doing? What are we doing? Grandma? What are you doing? You're gonna walk? Come on in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we come to the next one. I said to 30th Street. More supply leaving. All single car. We got to water 5-row cars. We got 719.
What'd you say?
There goes.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Yep.
There's that announcement.
Yeah. How many have we seen?
About 8. I'm thinking. Eight.
What's coming next? What
10:29. About 3 minutes late.
Yeah, what time is it now?
Shuttle bus operation will run.
For now, for a few weeks coming in. This is up the train. 420 to Warminster. More Silver Horse leading. We got Silver on 4-0 cars. 373. 372. That's it for today. See you on Monster Teeth.